In this video, I will show you how to add years to a date using two methods in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. This column contains the number of years I want to add to these dates, and I want to get the final dates in this column. For example, the first date is 1st January 2024. I want to add 1 year to it so that the result is 1st January 2025. We can use the date function to add years to a date. The date function returns the date based on the specified year, month, and day. It accepts three arguments: year, month, and day values. I am going to use the year, month, and day functions along with the date function to add years to a date. Here is the formula to do that. Here, the year, month, and day functions extract year, month, and day from the specified date respectively. I have added the number of years specified in the C column to the years extracted from the original date. All these values are then passed as the argument of the date function to create a new date. As you can see, this formula returns the date exactly after 1 year of the original date. Let's copy the formula to other cells. If the number of years value is negative, this formula subtracts the year from the original date, as we can see from this example. We can also use the eDate function to add years to a date. The eDate function returns the date, that is a number of months after or before the specified date. This function takes two arguments, a valid Excel date and a number of months. If the second number of months argument is positive, it returns a future date, and if the number of months argument is negative, it returns a past date. Let's type the equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type eDate followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the original date as the first argument. Type a comma and select the cell containing years to add as the second argument. Since we want to add years instead of months, I am going to multiply the year value by 12 to convert it to months. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have years added to the original date. Let's copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner. If the number of years value is negative, this formula subtracts the year from the original date, as we can see from this example. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.